So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to introduce our project Bharat AI Connect. It's a marketplace where we can buy and sell our automations and AI agents. It's a simple platform. We are inviting freelancer and AI engineers to come over platform and upload their creations like anything they have made like AI agent and automation. They can directly upload here and people can directly buy from this website. It's a complete marketplace where we can buy and sell the AI agents and automation. These are the comparisons, like why we are the difference from the other platforms. It's our AI agent page. Like we can figure out the AI agents here simply. But like right now we don't have any AI agents. It's a dummy AI agent that is here. But you can upload your own creation here, and you can easily sell them with this platform. There are no so much like platform like where you can sell your creation easily. It's a simple platform where you can create the agents and say there on this website. So it's how it looks. Let me say. So it's our page. Like people can see your demo video here, and you can upload your creations here, and the requirements and the tech stacks and the review which the user will require. Okay, and it's your public profile where user can see your creations like how much like agents you have created and your earnings. All the users can see here. Okay, so we are inviting the freelancer and agents come over this platform and buy and sell your uh, creations. Okay, let me log in first and say the other things. Okay, so I have logged in successfully. So it's a simple like if anyone is coming like buying any product, so they just need to come over here and they have to proceed the checkout and they can easily check out the by the one click. We have the several methods like UPI and card for the international payments also, and we have the automate like a dashboard also for the users where they can track their performance, how they are performing, like their current earning, current balance and their lifetime earning. They can directly see over here, and these are the selling agents. If you will upload any agent here, you will get the item here. Okay, and anyone come over this platform and buy your agent, it will automatically credited in your account or the money. Like if it's 100 rupees AI agent, then you will get the 70 rupees in hand. Okay, so it's our platform. So we are inviting you to come over platform and upload your creations. And for the clients who want to buy the agent, they can easily buy here. And we have the sale option here. Like you can see like you can make the up to $1 million for your creations. So it's a wonderful opportunity. So you have to come over here and upload your creations and try to earn from this platform. Okay, it's an Indian platform, so you will get the connect. If you have any problem, like you can directly connect with us over our YouTube channel or comment section, and you can directly connect with us on in our WhatsApp community. So I have launched this platform for you guys, not for me, so that you can buy and sell your creations, so that everyone know like you are the person you have these creations. Okay, it will help you to build your portfolio also. Like let me, if I will go on a profile, what we will do, we will create your own profile on the basis of the thing. Like if anyone is coming, they can see your profile, like what are the things you have done, like agents you have made, automation you have made. So it will be the like public profile which you will get after creating your account. So it's a wonderful opportunity. So you should come here and earn your 0 to $1 million from here. Okay, so it's over for now.